Mouse and keyboard not responding through your Dell docking station? This is one of the most common issues users face, but fortunately, there are quick solutions you can try right now. The main causes include USB-C power delivery conflicts, outdated drivers, or Windows power management settings interfering with your peripherals. Here's a typical Dell docking station with multiple USB ports and a power connection. The key to fixing peripheral issues is understanding the power cycle process. The power cycle procedure is your first line of defense. Start by disconnecting all peripherals from the docking station. Next, unplug the docking station's power adapter and wait exactly 30 seconds. This clears any residual power and resets the internal USB controllers. Reconnect the power and wait for the LED indicators to show the dock is fully initialized before proceeding. Finally, reconnect your peripherals one at a time, starting with the mouse and keyboard. This helps identify if a specific device is causing conflicts. If the power cycle doesn't solve the issue, try testing different USB ports on your docking station. USB 2.0 ports, shown in white, are often more stable for mouse and keyboard connections. USB 3.0 ports, shown in blue, offer higher speeds but can sometimes cause conflicts with basic peripherals due to power management differences. Here's your quick troubleshooting flow. Start with a power cycle, then test different USB ports. These two steps resolve most mouse and keyboard connectivity issues. Most users find success with these basic steps. If problems persist, you may need advanced driver solutions, but these quick fixes resolve the majority of Dell docking station peripheral issues. When basic troubleshooting fails, the first advanced solution is Dell Command Update. This tool automatically detects and installs the latest drivers for your specific docking station model. If Dell Command Update doesn't resolve the issue, manually download the specific USB controller drivers for your docking station model from the Dell support website using your service tag. Once you have the drivers, use Device Manager to update the USB hub drivers. Expand Universal Serial Bus controllers, right-click on USB hubs related to your docking station, and select Update Driver. A critical system fix is disabling USB Selective Suspend in Power Options. This prevents Windows from cutting power to USB devices to save energy, which often causes mouse and keyboard disconnections. For advanced users, if all previous solutions fail, Registry Cleanup may resolve deep system conflicts. This involves clearing USB device history and resetting port assignments, but should only be attempted by experienced users, as it can affect system stability.